First of all, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, including mine and me. We've actually got Dad down for the weekend and we're doing some machining, so I just wanted to, we're going to start a new few video series with the support of Heron Forbes and Top One. Today what we'll be doing is, this is a piston from the blown 100. And it's a pretty on-edge motor. It needs a fair bit of racing clearance. So what we'll be doing today, this is the new, oh, here we go. I've got the new twin cam here. So with the twin cam, of course, comes the 4-valve piston. So what we do on our pistons is, and I've got an old piston here, is you can just see, you just machine the corners and the shoulders away here to give a little bit of racing clearance, and that's what needs to be done today on the new twin cam 4-valve pistons. So see how we go. Okay, we're a couple of hours later after a big lunch for Father's Day. I'll have to run a few K before we get in those leathers, but here's the piston. We've just machined the shoulders, you can see in the video, and that's pretty much a finished product. So now take this up to Brisbane next week and get the tops ceramic coated, and then hopefully get ready to put it together. So thanks for watching.